I'm going to make dishwasher soap. So because of all the toxic chemicals in your commercial dishwashing soaps like chlorine bleach, phosphates, fragrance, and then there's a lot of hidden chemicals as well that we don't know about, I've just decided to eliminate all that and make my own. So, to make your own dishwasher soap, you have your Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda, water, salt, and Citrus Fresh Essential Oil. So all you're going to do is combine all the ingredients together in a glass bowl with a metal spoon. And so we've got 1 1/4 cup of the Super Washing Soda, half a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of salt, and 45 drops of the Citrus Fresh Essential Oil. Citrus essential oil because it has cleansing in it. Citrus is very cleansing, and it's also going to add a nice smell. So just mix it all together. You can see and we use glass bowls because eventually these oils can eat away at plastic because they're so strong. Just make sure it gets mixed up really well. Okay, and you're going to pour this in a silicone tray because it's much easier to pop them out than a metal one. You can find them on Amazon, or I just got this at Central Market actually. So just fill it up. And then you actually have to let this sit for about 48 hours because it all has to dry. You can put it in your garage if you'd like, because it's warmer and so it's going to dry up much quicker. But once everything is dry, we'll show you the finished result. Thank you.